Where do airplanes go? Do they go in the ocean?
No.
What? Do they go on the road?
No.
Do they go underwater?
No, don't fly.
Oh, they fly like up there?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's really high up.
Only one not big.
Really? You went in one that was big?
Yeah.
How big?
Did man.
Whoa, that's huge! Have you flown one before?
I did.
Did it take lots of practice?
Yeah.
Yeah, how long?
Did it.
That many practices. That's a lot. Do you have your own airplane?
I do.
You do? Do you have a
I don't have every at my house.
You don't? Not at your house? Do you keep it at your own airport?
I do.
You do?
Yeah.
You have your own airport?
Yeah.
Whoa! Do you have a helicopter there too?
I do.
You do? Why don't you go show me right now? Come on, let's go. Whoa!